beautiful. They do this swoosh. Perfect.
We have all along the edges of her dress these little silver rings on the hemline.
With a really subtle colored seed bead.
Okay. And I'm like, when I say get up here in her hiney, you are clear up here in her hiney. Okay. So it's going to be the easiest is to start with just to the side of the center line.
So this
So,
is the blue bead.
Blue bead. And up here, you can see here's a lobster claw with a blue bead. Okay, so then you're going to go peach, and you just follow along the hemline to the next one. Green to green. The one is, it's not on the hemline, this one's up a little bit, and that's just because we can't go all the way up to the zipper. So this is just right, the seam line right below the zipper.
So that's for your center train point on the seam.
And then we're gonna just go around.
Keep matching clasp to ring.
Like a ring on the bottom, because it drags on the floor on the bottom with the downside is there's just in Chicago.
And we're just
Swapping it back out.
pulling it down.
I mean, but look at that. Look at that. Just swooshy, and it looks like you're hemmed at that length.
Oh my gosh.
Twirl for us.
Wow, this is perfect.